Ready, start. This appeal assails an order dated 13th January 2023 passed by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, New Delhi, disposing of a consumer complaint logged before it by the appellant. Full stop. Facts in brief, necessary for the disposal of the present appeal are as follow. On 10th March 2006, the appellant booked a plot in a project of the respondent named Parkland for a total sale consideration of rupees 36 lakh as a plot bearing number 2, block G4, phase 2, at measuring 343 square yard to advance registration charges rupees 7 lakh 86,000 was paid on the same day. Full stop. On the 11th December 2007, a plot buyer agreement was executed between the parties. Full stop. As per clause 22 of the agreement, the possession of the plot was to be handed over within 24 months of sanction of service plan of the entire colony. Full stop. Furthermore, clause 12 provided that time is of the essence and in case of default by the buyer, late payment charges at 12% per annum on the due amount compounded at the time of every succeeding installment or 3 months, whichever is earlier, would be levied by the respondent. Full stop. By April 2012, the appellant had paid a sum of rupees 28 lakh on the 13th April 2012, more than 5 years after the first payment. The respondent informed the appellant that due to changes in the layout plan, it had decided to allot an alternative plan to the appellant. Full stop. Since the new plot was 7 square yard larger than the original plot, the respondent further demanded a sum of rupees 2,30,000 as an additional amount. Full stop. Accordingly, an addendum to the agreement was executed between the parties on 13th April 2012. Clause 7 of the agreement of the provided by allotment of the alternative plot if a change in layout plan was required by any authority. Full stop. The appellant on 12th March 2015 paid a sum of rupees 33 lakh, out of which rupees 23 lakhs was toward interest at the 18% per annum charged by the respondent for the appellant default in making the payment. Full stop. As per the statement of account dated 23 March 2015 prepared by the respondent, the appellant had paid a sum total of rupees 43 lakhs aggravated by the respondent inaction in allotting the plot. The appellant terminated the agreement with the respondent via letter dated 27th March 2017. Full stop. After here the lodging of the complaint, the respondent offered the possession of the plot on 8 May 2018, subject to payment of a further amount of rupees 7 lakh 1600. Full stop.